In our last video, we started at 105,862 and ended with 116,392. So let's see what we can do today. We're currently at 121,000, and that was just from the last couple of trades that I did this morning. Here we have a simple trend line rejection, but the crazy thing is that my chart reset because I'm recording my screen. That's what Pocket Option does sometimes, and I forgot to change it back to $3,000. So I win two $10 trades. Okay, this is actually looking really nice here. If we take a couple horizontal lines, a couple trend lines, and sometimes you miss your trade just because you want to make sure, but I would rather make sure than to lose money. So as you can see, we are actually not on the trend line anymore, which means that we might have possible rejection. This second to last candle barely broke the last low, or the low of the previous candle. You don't really like that. Plus you can see that the CCI is actually coming back up, and now you see that the Williams is coming back up. So the perfect trade would have actually been on this candle right here. So the reason I'm saying that is because we have CCI down, Williams up right here. So we have CCI down, Williams up. That's the golden setup right there. And then we have CCI down, Williams down. So we could have taken a trade on this candle and on this candle. Now the reason that we draw this trend line here is to see where we're losing speed. So what I'm talking about is if you take a trend line and you draw it down across the bottoms, you see when we hit here, it has a major pull down, right? It actually goes right through this trend line. So this is also a two touch here where we have a horizontal line and a trend line. So we would already know that there's going to be rejection there. But because we actually broke through this trend line, that tells you right there that we have at least momentarily a very strong pull down. And then when you look at the CCI and the Williams in connection with that, or in addition to that, that tells you that you can confidently enter into that trade. So I'm about to make a $9,000 mistake. So three $3,000 trades that I lose, but that's okay. Don't cry for me, because I'm going to, right after, look to see what the Williams is doing. So you see that I just lost all three. So I'm about to see what the Williams is doing. I see that it's coming back up. And as soon as I see that, I enter into three reversal trades and I get all three. So it's okay. Don't cry for me. Watch me lose another $9,000. You must be thinking, wow, she is absolutely crazy. Yeah, it pulled up at the last second, and that's okay, because now we're down to 112,000 and we are about to go and end our trading session at 124,000 right now. So I'm just waiting for the perfect spot. I find it, I enter into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, and I get all 5. Now, I know you haven't liked this video yet, so that's the first thing I want you to do is smash that like and subscribe if you haven't done so, because I'm going to teach you to do what I do. But you can also learn everything that you need to know right here inside of Telegram. Look, I literally show you my trades and stats and exclusive content and a bunch of other things that are going to help you increase your balance the same way that I do every single day. I create tools for you, there's courses in here and more. And you can also get the settings for the golden setup. So if you are ready to increase your balance the same way that I do every single day and say goodbye to all of these stupid courses that teach you absolutely nothing, then head over to Telegram, smash that like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you on the next video.